How to transfer a domain to Hostinger, step-by-step guide. Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to transfer your domain to Hostinger. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of transferring your domain from one registrar to another, and we'll cover everything you need to know to make the transfer process smooth and hassle-free. To start, you'll need to log in to your current domain registrar's control panel and locate the domain you want to transfer. Once you've found your domain, click on the Transfer or Move button to begin the transfer process. Next, you'll need to choose a new registrar, which in this case is Hostinger. You can do this by selecting Hostinger from the list of available registrars. Make sure to select the correct top-level domain, TLD, for your domain. Once you've selected Hostinger as your new registrar, you'll need to enter your Hostinger account credentials to authenticate the transfer. You can do this by entering your Hostinger username and password. After you've entered your credentials, click on the Transfer button to initiate the transfer process. Hostinger will then send a confirmation email to your registered email address, which you'll need to confirm before the transfer is complete. It's also a good idea to set up DNS records for your domain before transferring it to Hostinger. This will ensure that your domain is properly configured and points to your new hosting account. To set up DNS records, log in to your Hostinger control panel and navigate to the DNS settings. From there, you can update your existing DNS records to point to your new hosting account. Once you've completed the transfer process and set up your DNS records, you can log in to your Hostinger control panel to verify that your domain has been successfully transferred. That's it. With these steps, you should be able to transfer your domain to Hostinger with ease.